I'm Brownfield commodity market reporter John Perkins with the closing market minute for Friday, September 20th. Soybeans and corn both ended Friday's session lower, continuing to watch harvest activity and yield results out of what's expected to be widespread harvest delays in many key U.S. growing areas that could last into early next week. Now, that could cause some quality issues as well, but for now, the trade is expecting very large, if not record yields for both corn and soybeans, with the next round of guesses out on October 11th. Both corn and soybeans are also watching planting activity in South America. And wheat ended the session mixed. On one hand, the trade did find some buying interest near the recent lows, but on the other hand, they remain very wary about pricing wheat above demand, which we did see some evidence of in this week's export sales numbers. Some welcome rainfalls in the forecast for many U.S. winter wheat growing areas. Live and feeder cattle were mostly higher ahead of widespread direct cash cattle business and the USDA's cattle on feed report. The direct trade that developed during the session was mostly at 183 live and 292 dressed, and the cattle on feed numbers were very close to pre-report expectations. The total number of cattle on feed was up 1% in the year, placements were down 1%, and marketings were 4% lower. And hogs ended the session mixed, mostly modestly higher on spread trade and the steady to higher cash during the session. With the closing market minute for Friday, September 20th, I'm Brownfield commodity market reporter John Perkins.